Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I was going to say another day, another build, but today we're going to do something a little different. Let me show you. Unfortunately, I was only able to acquire one pallet. One pallet is not going to finish the project we're working on, so I have some new equipment. I've been noticing my video quality kind of, well, sucks for the better part of it. But it's not my filming, it's the equipment, of course. I know that my phone was old, so I just recently acquired a brand new phone, a nice nifty little drone, and a microphone. This one I've already tried out. It actually filmed some deer yesterday. I'll show you real quick. This one here, I'll more than likely crash and burn. I figured I'd sing you guys a tune, which will probably not be pretty, but we're going to try out the microphone. So let me get all this set up. We'll get started.
Skydiving, I went Rocky Mountain climbing and went 2.7 seconds on a bull named Fu Manchu, and I keep on rolling. Ooh, I'm driving my life away, looking for a better day for me, the night with you. I forgot the word. Till my love and took it down. Oh God. Turn around. And I saw my reflection. Oh God. Well, that was a little embarrassing. Let's go try a drone.
That was also pretty embarrassing. Try it again. Why not?
Well, guys and gals, what can I say? Obviously, we're not going to get to this today. I need to go find some more pallets, go on a hunt. Anyway, hopefully you found some entertainment in that. I notice we have a lot of new subscribers, actually 100 subscribers this month. Thank you guys. Thank all of you very much. I got a message this morning that we actually have somebody from France. No, excuse me, England. I'm sorry. I apologize. We may have some from France. I don't know. But anyway, guys, I'm going to call this video done. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Cheers. You know, I probably need to start coming up with some different content before I scare all my subscribers off. I don't know. Anyway,